Hello everyone, this is Akanksha Sharma. Welcome to Alpha BNS classes. Today we will discuss English practice paper 2. So let's start. We will start with the passage. Read the passage given below and answer the questions. Complete the statements that follow with the help of the given options. Chimpanzees have been studied intensively in captivity. Their close relationship to ourselves makes them exceptionally important. The only drawback is that captive apes are, after all, not leading natural lives. They are highly emotional and sensitive animals. You might almost say that chimpanzees are like us. Dominance is present, with the larger male tending to dominate a female. A chimpanzee group has a definite arrangement of its individuals which rules activity. It is unsafe to humanize such traits, but they give the appearance of friendliness, general vigor, self confidence, and so on. Special friendships and enmities are planned. Professor Robert M. Yerkes never hesitated to emphasize the humanness of chimpanzee personality. So the question number 61. Why do we need to study chimpanzee? हमें चिंपैंजी के बारे में अध्ययन क्यों करना चाहिए? A. Man is closely related to them. B. They may add to our knowledge of the animal world. C. They are fun to watch. D. We can find out how man evolved from the apes. And the correct answer is A. Man is closely related to them. Question number 62. Study the following statements. Their social life is so much like that of human beings. 2. Chimpanzees take interest in human beings. A. 1 is true and 2 is false. B. Both 1 and 2 are true. C. 2 is true and 1 is false. D. Both 1 and 2 are false. So the correct answer is A. 1 is true and 2 is false. Now question number 63. What is the following? Which of the following words means the same as intensively? A. Hopefully. B. Strongly. C. Deeply. D. Largely. And the correct answer is C. Deeply. Question number 64. Why is it incorrect to study them in captivity? कैद में उनका अध्ययन करना क्यों गलत है? A. They don't behave in the natural way in the cage. B. Here they don't get food in the natural way. C. They don't like to be stared at. D. They are likely to get emotional. And the correct answer is A. They don't behave in the natural way in the cage. Question number 65. What is common between chimpanzees and humans? चिंपैंजीज और ह्यूमन के बीच में क्या कॉमन चीज़ें हैं? A. Both want to enjoy freedom. B. Males try to dominate the females. C. Both like the privacy of captivity. D. The strong ones are meek. And the correct answer is B. Males try to dominate the females. Now there is a poem. Read the poem given below and answer questions. Complete the statements that follow with the help of given options. The centipede, the little creature with 100 feet, was on its journey to where only it knew. My civilized foot, dressed in polished leather, came down upon it. Ever so gently, there was only a soft sound signifying the end of a creature of God, my Maker. I looked to see if my soul was soiled and walked away. Question number 66. The poet has used certain expression in the poem to suggest something to the reader. Choose one suggestion that best fits to the given expression. Came down gently. कवि ने कविता में अभिव्यक्ति का यूज़ पढ़ने वाले को सजेस्ट करने के लिए किया है. उसमें उसने एक सुझाव चुनने को दिया गया है जो कि इस अभिव्यक्ति केम डाउन जेंटली के लिए उपयुक्त हो. A casual human act may have serious results. B. Appearances can be deceptive. C. The man has unconcerned about what had happened. D. The centipede knew where it was going. And the correct answer is B. Appearances can be deceptive. Here डिसेप्टिव मीन्स जो धोखा देने वाला या फिर भ्रम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 67. Choose a sentence in which word soul is used same as used in the poem. A. His sole aim in life is to enjoy. B. It was for the sole reason. C. All understand that God is sole judge. D. My soul is getting bad to worse. And the correct option is A. His sole aim in life is to enjoy. Now question number 68. Pick the option that lists the statements that are not true according to the poem. 1. Poet stepped on a centipede. 2. The little thing had so many legs. 3. Poet was walking fast. 4. Poet wasn't worried about his appearance at the meeting. A. 3 and 4. B. 2 and 4. C. 1 and 2. D. 1 and 3. And the correct option is D. 1 and 3. Now question number 69. Arrange the given sentences in the sequence in which they appeared in the poem. 1. Poet wondered where it was going. 2. Poet was on his way to the meeting. 3. Poet checked to see if there was any mark of his shoes. 4. Poet heard a quiet sound. A. 4213. B. 2143. C. 4123. D. 2413. इसमें हमें करेक्ट सीक्वेंस बताना है. तो इस पोएम का करेक्ट सीक्वेंस है क्वेश्चन नंबर 69 बी 2143. यही इस पोएम का करेक्ट सीक्वेंस है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 70. Which word in the poem means the same as creator? Choose suitable option given. A. Maker. B. God. C. Maker and God both. D. Neither maker nor God. And the correct option is A. Maker. Now the next one. Observe the following data and read the table given below and answer the questions that follow. Health in Ichak in year 1990 and year 2010. Number of yoga and health clubs 2, and in year 2010 it was 10. People using non-refined oil in year 1990 45%, in year 2010 10%. Number of magazines on healthcare in 1995, in 2010 it is 10. TV or radio programs on health in 1990 2%, in 2010 it is 5%. Death rate in 1990 15%, and in 2010 it is 12%. It was once believed that being overweight was healthy, while given data subscribe to the viewpoint that being healthy is not only the need of an hour but a practice since 1990. Now question 71. Choose an option which is incorrect. इसमें हमें बताना है कि कौन सा ऑप्शन गलत है. A. Given table shows some of the changes in Ichak between 1990 and 2010. B. Given information is about increasing awareness of health and diet. C. Given table shows no change in Ichak between 1990 and 2010. D. Given information has been collected on 5 areas. And the correct answer is C. Given table shows no change in Ichak between 1990 and 2010. Now question number 72. Choose a suitable heading for the given information in the table. A. Healthier generation. B. Yoga and health club. C. Health and wealth. D. Disease and healthcare. And the correct option is A. A healthier generation. Question number 73. Pick the option that list. Question number 73. Pick the option that lists the statements that are true for the year 2010 according to the information in the table. A. Consumption of non-refined oil has increased. B. Number of magazines on health care has increased. C. Number of yoga and health clubs has decreased. D. Death rates in Ichak has decreased. And the correct option is B. Number of magazines on healthcare has increased. Question number 74. Choose an option which gives a detailed description of the given table. First, it is a description about healthcare system of Ichak. 2. Healthcare programs has spread awareness over the years. 3. Healthcare system focuses on fitness and proper diet. A 1 and 2, B only 2, C only 3, D 1, 2 and 3. And the correct answer is D 1, 2 and 3. Now the last question, question number 75. Which word means the same as subscribe? A gain, B influence, C contribute, D persuade. So the correct option is C contribute. So that's all for today. Please like, subscribe and comment on my channel, and please keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.